Hey guys, the weather's like really getting nicer for barefoot cemetery walking stuff, but I went out a little too late today and it's already getting dark. So let's check out this cemetery really fast. Because the CCSU cops are right over there. That's a Central Connecticut State University. And they might come in here and get me because these things usually close at dark and it's getting dark. Ooh, it's cold too. So I don't know if it's gonna be too loud because it's right near a busy road. And they're playing soccer right now. We can go watch them play soccer. It was warmer today, but it's already so cold. Well, it's not that cold. Oh God, I just saw something. Okay, I'm using my cell phone and like I forgot my flashlight. So I gotta stay in a lit area. But let's do a quick check, see what we can find. That was a flag moving. I thought it was something else. I'm like, okay, I didn't see a ghost yet. That was just a flag. There's something over there. Like a growling sound? Yeah, there's like definitely something over there. We got some weird sounds coming from that direction. But it's not well lit, so I don't want to go over there. I'm a little nervous to go over there. So maybe I'll come back when it's daytime and I'll go check that out. I gotta keep this tradition going. This tree looks really huggable. Oh yeah, it's totally huggable. There's like some like red glowy one there. Hey, these stars are like really cool. I should totally like get into astronomy and like stars. But I am keeping my eye out for UFOs. And I will keep you posted if I see one. Let me know if you see one. If you saw a UFO, let me know in the comments, because I really want to hear about that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next paranormal barefoot exploration. Please subscribe. I am still trying to get to 500 subscribers. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys. I'm freaking myself out. I hear like a growling, like a growling sound.